15 species in genus Sarcococca. The sweet mystery of Sarcococca. My name is Ferbu, and I'm a bit obsessed with a plant genus you've likely never heard of, Sarcococca from the Buxaceae family. These understated evergreen shrubs, often called sweet box or Christmas box, hide a secret weapon, an intensely fragrant winter bloom that can stop you in your tracks. I first encountered one tucked away in a shady corner of a local nursery. Its glossy green leaves were unassuming, almost forgettable, but then I caught a whiff of its perfume. It was intoxicating, a honeyed sweetness that filled the air. I was hooked. Since then, I've been on a mission to learn everything I can about these remarkable plants. Native to Eastern and Southeastern Asia and the Himalayas, Sarcococca thrives in the shade, bringing life and fragrance to those often neglected corners of the garden. They're tough, low maintenance, and practically pest-free, making them ideal for even the most novice gardener. Unveiling the hidden gems. One of the most fascinating things about Sarcococca is the sheer variety within the genus. While they share that characteristic sweet scent, each species has its own unique charm. Here are Sarcococca balanci. Known for its fragrant winter blooms and glossy green leaves, this species adds a fresh aroma to shaded areas. Sarcococca bladinii, a rare variety with narrow, elongated leaves and small, highly fragrant flowers that bloom in winter. Sarcococca confertiflora. This compact shrub has clustered white flowers that offer a strong, sweet fragrance in colder months. Sarcococca confusa. Popular for its hardiness and ease of care, it features dark green leaves and small, highly fragrant white flowers. Sarcococca kanzatii. Native to Mexico, this lesser-known species has broad leaves and aromatic flowers, providing year-round green foliage. Sarcococca coriacea. With thick, leathery leaves, this species thrives in shade and is valued for its resilience and winter fragrance. Sarcococca hookeriana. Known for its low, spreading growth habit, it produces fragrant white flowers and deep green leaves. Plant FAQs. Sarcococca hookeriana. Sarcococca longifolia, a slender-leaved variety that offers winter fragrance and is ideal for shaded ground cover. Sarcococca longipeciolata. Distinguished by its longer petioles and elegant foliage, it blooms in winter with delicate white flowers. Sarcococca orientalis. Originating from Asia, this species has narrow, arching leaves and fragrant winter blooms that attract pollinators. Sarcococca russifolia. Known for its vibrant red berries, it has dense, glossy leaves and fragrant white flowers in winter. Plant FAQs. Sarcococca russifolia. Sarcococca saligna. A more upright species with narrow leaves and fragrant winter flowers, perfect for hedging. Sarcococca taiwaniana. Native to Taiwan, this species offers a unique, compact form with fragrant blooms and evergreen leaves. Sarcococca wallichii. Valued for its tall growth, it produces white, fragrant flowers and dark foliage, making it great for screens. Sarcococca zeylanica. A Sri Lankan native, this species has dense foliage, a bushy form, and produces fragrant winter flowers. More than just a pretty smell. While the fragrance is undoubtedly a major draw, Sarcococca offers more than just a sensory delight. Their evergreen foliage provides year-round interest, and their compact growth habit makes them versatile additions to any garden. They can be used as foundation plantings, hedges, ground covers, or even container specimens. They're also excellent for attracting pollinators, providing a valuable food source for bees and other insects during the winter months. But for me, the true magic of Sarcococca lies in its ability to transform the mundane. It takes those overlooked, shadowy corners and fills them with life and beauty. It reminds us that even in the depths of winter, there is still joy to be found, hidden gems waiting to be discovered. So, next time you're looking for a plant that offers something truly special, I urge you to consider Sarcococca. You won't be disappointed.